Hi everyone and welcome to the Crypto Advantage. Well, today, the 9th of June 2021, we're gonna just quickly have a look at some of these meme coins and just actually what's happening to the market. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. I'm just here to learn and to educate myself, educate you guys, and we learn together and we journey this together to be able to make it worth for all our whiles at the end of the day. Thank you for all of the extra subscriptions. We are standing on 447 subscribers. Videos have been a bit slow lately, but that's life. Sometimes you get more time to do it. Sometimes you don't have much time. But we soldier on. So no worries there. So let's have a look at our first meme coin, and we have a look at Shiba Inu. And as you can see, market is very, very flat at the moment. All of the markets are very, very flat. So there is not a lot going on. This is the 4 hour um, time frame, and as you can see, not a lot happening at the moment. So, and you'll see with all of the others that is actually the same. Best for something like this is just to leave it there. Don't panic sell. We are in a dip at the moment, and I do believe the big bull run is still coming, and this is just going to lift everything for everybody when we get there. So please don't despair, and I think there's also some exciting news that will be coming along soon. Who knows, even if SHIB can be incorporated maybe into the Flare network, I don't know. We'll just have to see what's going to happen there. But definitely one of the front runners at the moment. If you have some spare cash, maybe it's a good idea to invest a little bit in this. Remember, this is a speculative investment, so you don't know which way it's going to go, uh, but it has performed very well in the last couple of months. Just if we zoom out, you'll see where it really went flat, jumped. So if we look at that, where it's now, it's actually in a kind of a consolidation phase, which means it will jump up at some stage. So just be patient. Having a look at Kishu Inu, pretty much the same kind of thing. Very, very flat at the moment. Consolidation going on there. And yeah, same thing. Just hold it. Don't panic sell. We are still going to enter the bull run, the big bull run, and then things will just shoot up. Have a look at Fig. Fig, same story. Flat. There it was flat there. Then jumped up, came back down, now again in consolidation. So just leave it there. And with these coins, where you actually get the extra 1% in the transaction fees from everybody else, your investment is actually growing. So just leave it be. Ushiba, American Shiba, a little bit of a different pattern, seems to be like climbing a little bit, jumping, but no fireworks, same kind of thing. And just leave it, just let it be. It'll get itself sorted out. Hachiko Ino, also very, very, very flat. I don't think Hachiko Ino has actually got that 2% transaction distribution mechanism. Um, but yeah, same thing. Just leave it. It'll come right eventually. Kino Ino, same thing. These patterns, they pretty much look the same. So you just leave it. Uh, Tesla Inu, which is a very, very new coin, only started on the 28th of May. Uh, Basically Also more pretty much flat, had it jump, come down. So we'll just see what's gonna happen there with with that one. So they pretty much all look the same at the moment. As I said, don't panic, so just leave it. They'll sort this themselves out. Um, you can sell this at the height of the bull run to get your money back, but not now. Now it's just leave it. XRP has been in the news a lot lately. Um, with the court case with the SEC and so on. Just good having a look at the daily chart. And really, I do believe we are going to come down here to the 20-cent mark. Yeah, we have not touched on this mark since it shot up. You can see it hasn't come back in this region. So, and as I've said before, the markets, they do not like vacuums. Here's massive vacuums that need to be filled here. And I do believe that the market makers are also going to pull a move here to dump heavily here. Because, I mean, if you were a market maker, then wouldn't you pull a move like that? Dump the market heavily into this region here, maybe even lower, but I think this is about the general region where it can go, maybe even here to 17 cents or lower. But nonetheless, if you also have a look at the moving averages, then you see that it's basically also pointing down. It's showing that market is just going to come down. So I do believe this market is going to come crashing down, um, touch on this, and then shoot up again. So there are a lot of stuff going on with XRP, and um, nobody knows exactly what's going on with the SEC. The SEC is throwing, circles and, all sorts of stuff happening in court and so on. But let us just focus on the market. XRP is the standard, so that is the coin to hold. And I do believe this is the one that's going to reward us the most at the end of the day. But yeah, know what you hold and know that these markets are in play, and they will do some unexpected things. So I just don't know how quickly that dump is going to come. From what level? I mean, these markets can do funny things. Just have a look here. This was a massive dump in one day on the 30th of January. Went from 28 to 43, 15 cents in one day, which is very, very big. Um, this was on the 25th of December. We had a dump there from 44 cents to 26, another 15-cent dump. So we can easily see a couple of days where doop 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 we have some of these 15-cent dumps into the region where these guys will just smack it down and then just let it come up again. So yeah, just food for thought. But we are in a slow market at the moment. If you have a look at CoinMarketCap.com, you'll just see everything lots of red, lots of red. So if your investments are not doing very well at the moment, don't worry about that. There might be a good couple of places where you can buy bargains now. Um, Having a look at Internet Computer, I don't know what's going on with this company. I don't know a lot about them. And I mean that the price where they are at the moment, $82, um, should be a massive bargain from where they were. Just look at this. They were spiked here to almost $600 when they first started off, and then now taper down to $80. But I must actually do a bit of more research on who they are and what they do. So I don't know. But XRP definitely something that you can hold. Quant you can hold. Now I see that uh, Algorand. Algorand is going to become a F asset. Awesome. So if you have some algo, hold on to them because when the Flare network kicks off, you're going to be able to present that as a F asset. So great stuff. Great stuff. Well, guys, that's all I've got today. I just really wanted to make this quick video and just touch base with you guys and just let you know that the markets is very flat at the moment. So don't panic. Patience is essential in a time like this. Don't panic sell. And yeah, let's ride this thing out together. And we come out whole at the end. Our patience will definitely be rewarded big time if we just stick with it. So from the crypto advantage today, that's all I've got for you. I'm out.